How to change your profile name on Instagram. In today's Instagram tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile name. If you've been wanting to change your profile name but didn't know how, this video is for you. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Below your profile description, you will see the Edit Profile button. Click on it. The first field you'll see is the name. Click on it to change your profile name. Delete your current profile name and enter the new one. Please note that you can change your profile name a maximum of 2 times in 14 days. All that's left is to save the changes by clicking on the check mark in the top right corner. A window will open warning you again that you can only change your profile name twice in 2 weeks. Press Change Name, and your profile name will be changed. Like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel.